back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna unbox my May Euphorbia box. Now if you guys don't know about Euphorbia box, it's a subscription box which is super duper affordable. बहुत ही affordable सा subscription box है. You have to pay only 250 rupees और आपको approximately 1500 to 2000 के products मिल जाते हैं हर बारी. तो Euphorbia box की बाकी की details जो भी होंगी वो description box में होंगी. So make sure to check it out अगर आपको लेना है तो. And उनकी website का direct link भी description box में होगा. So make sure to check that out as well. So today I'm going to unbox this May Euphorbia box as I said. So this is how the box looks like. इसकी जो outer packaging थी वो मैंने पहले ही open कर ली to save some time. Now let's quickly open it. This is how it came in. इस टाइप की एक carry bag sort of thingy में आता है हमारा Euphorbia box. Even though it says Euphorbia box, but nowadays they are sending it in a bag, which is a very nice thing. क्योंकि bags are very very handy dandy. तो जब मैं इसके अंदर ये bag था Euphorbia box का, so this is how it looks like. First of all, the quality of this bag is amazing. Previous month की जो quality थी वो थोड़ी सी मैंने आपको बोला कि okay है, but this time this quality is just to die for. Very very good quality. I hope you guys can see इसके तो you can see कि it has a little bit of texture on it and यहाँ पे Euphorbia box embossed है and the quality honestly is amazing. So let's quickly open it and see कि इस month में क्या क्या आया है. So the first thing is this information card. So the theme of the month is chasing the sun because it's a summer season, so that's the theme. Box के अंदर Good Soap brand के भी products हैं, तो they are saying कि अगर आप 1000 rupees की shopping करोगे तो आपको एक Flora face and body mist free मिलेगा. So that's a good thing and here is the information if you are interested. So the first thing that comes to my hand is this Good Soap bath and shower gel. This is how it looks like and it also says कि 100% certified organic ingredient based, तो which is a very nice thing. It is totally organic, तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है ये. And let's quickly sniff it. ये इस seal है तो let's quickly open it and देखते हैं कि इसकी fragrance कैसी है because that is really really important in shower gels. It smells exactly like roses. I love roses, like seriously मुझे rose की scent बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है and it smells exactly like that. So I'm quite looking forward to try this and can't wait to just bathe in it. The second thing that comes to my hand is this Bath Sutra handcrafted luxurious lavender love face and body mist. So it's a body mist and face mist. So when you're out and about in the sun and you want something to refreshen your face, you can just spritz it on your face and you'll be nice and refreshed. Yeah, as the name suggests, it smells like lavenders and honestly I don't like the scent of lavender, but still whatever. Yeah, it smells exactly like lavender, so if you like lavender scent, you might like it. So this is the second thing. I'll tell you the prices of everything by the end of the video. Last thing in the bag are these two lip crayons. These are by the brand called 7 Seas and this is what I'm wearing right now. I really like this color. It's in the shade 602 and this one is in the shade 624 and this is how these two colors looks like. Honestly this one is very beautiful, bright brick red and really like this color and you can see it's really really pigmented as well. और long lasting भी है, मैंने एक बार already इसको wear कर चुकी हूँ तो it's really really long lasting as well. And this is how the second color looks like. So you can see it is also very pretty fuchsia pink color and this one is nice brick red color. It's time to tell you guys the prices. Face and body mist is for 500 rupees. This shower gel is for 550 rupees and these two lipsticks are for 300 each. So basically you get 600, 1100, approximately 1700 k products you get in this bag and you just have to pay rupees 250. You get a bag as well, you get a carry bag as well. तो और क्या चाहिए बॉस, बच्चे की जान थोड़ा लेनी है सीरियसली. बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा बैग है. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड दिस लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. आप जाओ वेबसाइट पे ले लो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो. सो या गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेस वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम. हियर इज माय हैंडल एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ यू लाइक इट. शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड योर फैमिली सो दैट उनको भी पता चले कितना अमेजिंग सा बैग है, इतना अफोर्डेबल है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. और मेरे चैनल का लिंक भी कर देना, मैं भी बहुत ही अमेजिंग हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छी हूँ. तो आई होप दैट यू गाइस लाइक दिस वीडियो and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.